Well, guys, we ended up with getting quite a few presents that I'm paying for myself. Well, it's well over $1,000 for an anchor and a couple of horns and a bilge pump. The anchor, of course, is the most. It is a Spade Anchor. It's one of the new generational type of anchors. It's the anchor that I lost in the Indian Ocean, and I'm replacing it. So now I gotta open it up. Galvanized steel, 25 kilograms. 25 kilograms, 25 times 2.2. It's 5 ounces. Wrapped up real good.
What yellow part say?
Well, what they say is so that when you look underneath the water, it's easier to see that it's in the soil the way it's supposed to be.
Okay.
But this wears off so fast that it really doesn't mean anything. It's a gimmick. This is Keith from the sailing vessel Atalanta. I've got myself a new little present, a new anchor. This is a Spade Anchor. I lost the Spade Anchor that I had when it broke off from the bow near Diego Garcia in the Indian Ocean, so I'm finally going to be replacing it. I've been using a delta for a long time, so now I've got to go ahead and remove the delta from the bow. I've already got a rope that's attached to it, and that it'll be filming that a little bit later. I also have got different kinds of hardware that will be attached to the anchor. It's right here, and I wanted to show you this. It's actually, everything's connected with a piece of paracord going through all the different holes so that it's always easy for me to go ahead and pick it up and just carry it where I need to go, and I've got a good choice of different kinds of hardware to use. I do the same thing for other things that have holes in it, including tape, which is easier to go ahead and find it if it's all together on a piece of paracord. Well, this is the anchor. It's a Spade Anchor. It's a very good anchor, and I'm going to show you how easily it's put together. There's only two major parts. You got the fluke that's colored yellow down here at the bottom, and this fits into the fluke like so, and it comes with a bolt. And to make it so that it's more water resistant, I've got this special kind of lanolin that works better than just plain lanolin, that will prevent it from rusting quickly. because it has a magnetic attraction to it. Not as severe, but it does have it. So it's not stainless steel. But then again, they do say that galvanized should be put together with galvanized bolts. So I don't think it makes that much of a difference. All right, now this is going to fit in here once I get these parts aligned. And that's going to be close to it. Throw in a washer. Now, make it go to the other side.
It's hot, huh?
Yes, it's hot. It's
You
really
want
hot.
you want gloves?
Okay. The bolt is through. Now, what? Flip this on the other side. So, and I've got two lock nuts, one on top of the other. It's going to be on this side. And hold it with this. I think I'm getting abandoned by Mildred because it is hot. That's part of being in Colombia. Especially Cartagena, it's pretty close to the equator. Okay. Now I've got it about as tight as I can get it. So I got a cheater bar where I can get it even tighter. The cheater bar is just basically a pipe that you put around a handle so you can get better leverage. Well, I'd say that was freaking tight. All right, get another one on top of it. And actually, after this nut goes on, that'll be it. Very easy, very simple. The first thing I need to do is get rid of the old anchor. Here's the delta. I've already attached a rope to it on both ends so that it doesn't accidentally fall into the water and have to have a diver to go in after it, especially considering it's very heavy. So I'm just going to, I've already loosened it up. I'm going to go ahead and remove this shackle. When the shackle is done, I'll go ahead and start dropping the anchor. I'll throw the rope to the other side and attach it to one of these cleats and then pull it up on the dock. as I just showed you, I do have lots of spare. This, by the way, is a pair of pliers where the surfaces of it are not serrated at all. It's actually used as a to remove nuts and bolts without deforming them. It literally takes the place of using your wrenches or using your sockets. Though I lost a 66-pound Spade Anchor, I went to a 55-pound Spade Anchor. The reason I did that is because from reports from other people who have Cabo Rico 38s, which my boat is, the 55-pound anchor would snuggle right underneath the bobstay, just touching it and helping support it. As you can see, now it works exactly the same way on my boat. So it won't be swinging around while it's on the bow. It'll be held snugly in place.